guys, I'm here to talk about it's not really tutorial kasi when I bought this, there was no manual. And I already tried this and everything works. The two microphone works. And then suddenly I was trying to do a video and I pressed something on it and I had a problem that I almost dismantled the microphone because I couldn't figure out what had been wrong. You know, what did I do wrong for it to not function? Like I was turning it on and off, but there was no sound on the microphone, but it's Bluetooth connected and there was a light on it. So it means that it was connected and everything is okay, but there was no sound coming out from the microphone. So now I'm gonna show you how everything happens, and I was so regretful that I pressed that button on the microphone without knowing the consequence of it, kasi I really don't know. So I'm gonna show you what's inside of this wireless karaoke speaker, a small one that comes with two microphones. So I'll show you just in case you will encounter the same problem as I did, so at least you have an idea on what to do, because I was like really like, what did I do? Okay, so we have the speaker. It's really cute, pink, and then it comes with two microphones, pinky. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on by pressing this like on and off button. So I'm gonna show you first this one. Let's turn it on first.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Yeah.
Connected.
So you can see that there's a lighting the speaker, and then this one will control a different lighting effects. So if you press that, may ganyan, solid red, then like that, and which follows when this is connected to a phone or something that you're playing a song or music. It follows the beat of it. And if you don't want to have any light background or any light effects, you can long press this one para makasave, so you can save a battery. There. So off. So you're saving a battery, you know. And then this one is volume down and volume up. And I forgot what M is, but just don't touch it. And if you press this one when you're playing a music and you want to emphasize the singers or the song, you can press this also. But you know, but if I were you, just don't touch anything to be safe. And so we have I'm gonna show you the first microphone. Turn it on.
On microphone 1.
Okay, the blue light will come out and it means that it's connected. Hello? Yeah. There you go. And then the other microphone, turn it on. Blue lights coming out also. So everything is, you know, looking good. So let's just turn this off and I'll just explain to you
On microphone off.
this one. So, like I said earlier, I was using this and it was the Bluetooth speaker is connected to my phone because I was trying to show when it's connected to the phone and I'm trying to sing karaoke. And then suddenly, I press this one. Last one. I press it and it gives me a different sound effect. You know, my voice is different and all of this. And I was just pressing, and I couldn't go back to like this natural sound. And suddenly, because I couldn't go back to the natural sound of my voice, I just turned it off, thinking it will go back to normal or it will reset it, you know, automatically. Then I turned this off, and then suddenly I turned on, and there was no sound. Like, I'm gonna show you. Hello. There was no sound at all. I was like,
Disconnected.
I was so panicking, you know. I was in panic that I was like pressing everything, and it's like, what is this? And I tried to watch YouTube videos to see what should I do, you know. Everything is connected, but there was no sound. When you press the volume up and down, you can hear that it's working, but there was still no sound. And then I was googling and suddenly I realized, because I found out one of the where I googled, and there was like a manual or something, and you know, I found out over there that I press it once, the power on and off. So if you press one, it mutes the microphone. So I just found it out. So I had to press once. Hello. So it came back. And I was like, I almost dismantled this one, because everything shows in the YouTube that you have to check inside, you have to dismantle and then remove and whatever. I was just, you know, so stressed out that I would dismantle the microphone. Good thing I did not lose hope that I will find something online. And like I said, yeah, to turn it on mute, press 1, it's on mute. And then you'll hear the beep, but I don't know yet because I just opened it, you know.
Disconnected.
And then to turn it on, to turn back the sound of the microphone, just press it once. And then if you want to turn this off, like entirely off, you have to press it, long press. I'm not gonna do that, but you have to long press it. And then if you wanna control the echo, so you're gonna press twice on the volume up if you want it more echo, and if you want it to turn down the echo, then you have to double press also the volume down. And then if you want just to volume up and volume down, then one press each. But every time you press the button, you will hear a beep. Like, for example, I'm gonna turn it up, the volume. So you turn it out, you know, and you have to wait for the sound over here that will tell you that you just did it. So yeah, that's basically it. Just, if I were you, just don't touch anything, because this one will change your voice. There was like an effect, like a man, like a different voice, like something like that. And I was like panicking because I don't know how to put it back. So all you have to do is just press it once, then you'll hear a click, and then another one, and then until you get the normal voice. So that's basically it. I hope I helped you. So let's try singing. So kinabahan talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. So I just hope that I explained it okay, because I know that I'm not really good at explaining things, especially in English. But na kayong choosy. Just trying to help. Just try. Diba? Ang ganda ng sound. Just sample lang to. And then, for you to have a not broken sound, don't put it close to your mouth. A little bit of a distance is pretty good.
Life is messy and unpredictable.
Okay.
Best Egg is here to help.
Just a short one kasi hindi naman maganda yung boses ko. I don't have that voice, so.
Agong Music Karaoke!
Sample lang. And you can turn around like it's running on, like a fairy tale come true. You're the answer when I'm baby, I found you. Okay na yun. Let's say thank you for watching.